Hello children, you are warmly welcome to Siptharani English School once again. It's going to be lesson number 12 for grade 11 to discuss the different test types in GC O-level paper. In this lesson, we are going to discuss test number 8, the last question in paper 1. Test number 8 is on writing. ප්‍රශ්න පත්‍රයේ තියෙන 8 වෙනි ප්‍රශ්නයෙන් ඔබගේ ලිවීමේ හැකියාව පරීක්ෂා කෙරෙනවා. Well, in test number 8, the testing technique used here is free writing. Text type, a paragraph. Relevant competency, uses English creatively and innovatively in written communication. Competency level relevant to test number 8 is assess the ability to write simple composition on different types of topics. Look at these two phrases underlined here. Simple compositions and different types of topics. Simple composition is a simple paragraph with simple sentences and different types of topics. There will be very simple topics. Well, to write a simple paragraph, we need to use 50 to 60 words. That means to write 7 or 8 simple sentences. For this test number 8, 5 marks are given as 2 marks for content, that is for a meaningful paragraph with required length. Required length is 50 to 60 words, and the sentences, correct sentences. Then 3 marks for language with no errors, well-connected sentences, correct spellings and punctuation. Here, no errors is meant like no mistakes in sentences and well-connected sentences. So sentences should be connected. That means there should be a good flow. For that you have to use words like and, but. Okay? Then the correct spellings of the words. වචනවල හරි අක්ෂර වින්‍යාසය. And the last one, the punctuations. What are they? Using the full stops, commas, apostrophes, and even capitalization. Use of capital letters where it is necessary is a must. All these are tested, right? And you will be given 3 marks for that. Well, now let's look at the second one, that is different types of topics. Look at these examples given. A helpful person in my life, a place I like to visit, the place where I live, my best friend, the book that I like most, how I spend my free time, the book that I like most, how I spend my free time, a journey by train. Well, now look at the words highlighted here, given with red. First one, person. Second, place. Third one, place. Fourth again, person. Fifth one, an object. Sixth one, an event. A journey by train. Here it is an event. Well, if you take these words, only four words are used here. What is it? What are they? Person, place, object, event. Well, so in question number 8, you will be given a topic to describe either a person or a place or an object or an event. තේරුණාද ඔයගලන්ට? මේ 8 වෙනි ප්‍රශ්නයේදී දෙන topics දෙන්න පුළුවන්නේ ඔයගලන්ට විස්තර කරන්න a person පුද්ගලයෙක් එහෙම නැත්නම් place එකක් ස්ථානයක් යම් තැනක් එහෙම නැත්නම් object එකක් යම් කිසි දෙයක් යම් කිසි වස්තුවක් හෝ event එකක් ඒ කියන්නේ යම් කිසි සිද්ධියක් සිදුවීමක්. Well, now let's look at this. How to write a meaningful paragraph. අපි කොහොමද ඒ වගේ දීලා තියෙන topic එකකට අනුව අපි ලියන්න යන දේ කොහොමද අපි organize කරගන්නේ? අපි මේ විදිහට බලමු. අපි ඉස්සෙල්ලා කතා කරා වගේ topic එක වෙන්න පුළුවන් describe a person, describe a place, describe an event or describe an object. And you are supposed to use 50 to 60 words, that is 7 or 8 sentences, simple sentences. Right. So this is very important, writing 7 or 8 sentences. And we have to plan what we are going to write. So this is how we must plan our writing. If it is a person, what are the facts that we can give? Since it is a person, first we have to start with the name. We can tell his or her age, where that person lives at. If the person is a student, the school where he or she studies, or the place where he or she works, workplace. Next, we can talk about the interests of that person. Also, we can say something about that person's family. Then we can talk about the appearance of the person. එයාගේ පෙනුම එයාව කොහොමද අපිට දකින්නකොට පේන විදිහ. උස මහත සුදු. Okay. Then it's a very important fact. Qualities of a person. Qualities of a person. Qualities, what do you mean by the qualities? Gati guna. අපි කියන්නේ very kind, helpful, very good, caring, clever, all these words relevant to the qualities of a person. Now let's look at this. This is how to plan a topic about an event. An event. ඒ කියන්නේ සිද්ධියක් ගැන නම් කොහොමද අපි ඒකට plan එක හදාගන්නේ? Yes. First we have to say what the event is. ඒ event එක මොකක්ද? Trip එකක්ද? එහෙම නැත්නම් sports meet එකද? එහෙම නැත්නම් prize day ද? Right? Yes. Next. ඊළඟ fact එක. ඊළඟ විස්තරය අපිට කතා කරන්න පුළුවන් when it is important. කවදාද? මෙහිදී මේ කවදද කියන එක වැදගත් වෙනවා. මේ event එකක් ගැන කතා කරනකොට හිත පාවිච්චි කරන tense එක මොන කාලෙන්ද කියන එක තේරුම් ගන්න එක වැදගත්. පහුගිය එකක් ගැන නම් අපි ලියන paragraph එක පුරාවටම past tense use කරන්න ඕනේ. එහෙමත් නැත්නම් ඒක අපි කරන්න යන දෙයක් නම් plan කරලා පස්සේ කරන්න යන දෙයක් නම් අපි future tense එකෙන් කියන්න වෙනවා. ඒ නිසා ඒකට ලියන tense එක තේරුම් ගන්න එක වැදගත්. And you have to say when it happened or when it will happen. කවදා දිනේද කොයි මාසෙද right? ඒවා කියන්න වෙනවා. Yes. Next one. Next fact. Where? කොහෙදද ඒක සිද්ධ වෙන්නේ? එහෙනම් සිද්ධ වුණේ කොහෙද? පාසලේදී වෙන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙම නැත්නම් trip එකක් නම් නුවරඑළියේද? Right. The place. Then you have to talk why this event was or will be. මේ event එක මේ කියන සිද්ධිය මේ සිදුවීම කුමක් සඳහාද? Next one. This is very important, right? Who participated and who will participated. That means සිදුවීම සිද්ධ වෙන්න එක කරන්නේ කවුද එකට සහභාගී වෙන අය එහෙම නැත්නම් සහභාගී වුණ අය කවුද කියන්නේ. Here this is very important. How that event happened or will happen. I have given you as step 1, step 2, step 3, that is how it happens. First මොකද්ද උනේ? ඉස්සෙල්ලාම මොනවද සිද්ධ උනේ? ඊළඟට මොනවද උනේ? ඊට පස්සේ මොකද්ද උනේ? එහෙම නැත්නම් අවසානයේදී මොනවද උනේ? Right? So you can use about 3-4 sentences to say how it happened. Okay? Well, if our topic is about a place, this is how we can plan. This is the way that we can plan. If it is a place, first you have to give what that place is. You can give the name, right? Yes. Then where it is situated. කියන එක කොහෙද තියෙන්නේ? Now, supposing if it is දළදා මාලිගාව, කොහෙද ඒක තියෙන්නේ? It is in Kanthi, like, right? Where it is situated. Yeah, this place. Well, then we can say why in the sense the importance of this particular place, right? Next we can talk what you find there. That place, what you can find is available. Also you can talk about the history or founded or made of. මෙම ස්ථානයේ යම්කිසි ඓතිහාසික සිද්ධියක් තියෙනවා නම් එහෙම නැත්නම් ඒක ආරම්භ කරේ ඒක හැදුවේ, right? If you know something about that, you can give these facts as well. Any other importance of this place can talk. එම ස්ථානයේ තියෙන විශේෂත්ව එහෙම නැත්නම් ඒකේ තියෙන වැදගත්කම ගැන අපිට ආයෙ තව සෙන්ටෙන්ස් එකකට දෙන්න පුළුවන්. Right. The same way, if the topic is given about an object, what is an object? දෙයක් එහෙම නැත්නම් යම් වස්තුවක් ගැන අපිට දීලා තියෙන්නේ, we can talk about it this way. What the object, then the appearance. ඒ වස්තුව එහෙම නැත්නම් යම් දෙය ඒකේ පෙනුම, ඒකේ තියෙන ආකාරය, ඒවා ගැන කියන්න පුළුවන් අපිට size, ඒකේ color එක ගැන කියන්න පුළුවන්, age එක, ඒක old එකක්ද new එකක්ද කියන්න පුළුවන්, made එක හදලා තියෙන මොනවලින්ද හදලා තියෙන, like. So that is, you can talk about that particular object giving these facts. You can use different sentences to give this, right? Then we can also talk about the uses of that object. ඒ වස්තුවේ නැත්නම් ඒ දෙය මොනවටද භාවිතා වෙන්නේ? පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ. There also you can give some, 2-3 uses of it if it has. Then where you have this object, where it is found, where you can see it, where you can get it. So that is how we organize the facts in a chart like this. Then it is very easy for us to write our paragraph without wasting time. Only thing we have to practice a lot before that. Therefore, please do the activities like this. Let's look at this example. How we put the facts we discussed into sentences. When you take all these sentences together, it will be a meaningful paragraph. එහෙම නේද? අපි දැන් ඔය කතා කරපු එක facts ඔක්කොම ගැන sentence එකක් ලියා ගත්තා නම් ඒ ටික ඔක්කොම එකට ලියනකොට හොඳ තේරුමක් තියෙන සම්පූර්ණ paragraph එකක් අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන්. Right. This example is my favorite person. Okay. This is about a person. Therefore, we have to plan what we are going to write like this. Right? Name, age, live at, school or workplace, family, interest, appearance, qualities, etc. Okay, now let's see how we make the sentences using the facts. Since the topic is here my favorite person, we can start with this sentence. My favorite person is my class teacher. So we are going to write about the class teacher, right? Now we have to give the name. Yes, she is Mrs. C. Vijay Singh. To talk about her age, she is 35 years old. Now we are going to tell where she lives. Mrs. Vijay Singh lives in WATTEGAMA. Now look at this. Here we use the word Mrs. Vijay Singh. Why is that? Now we are writing a paragraph using the facts. Okay? And here we have used the pronoun she twice. මේ ඉස්සෙල්ලා වාක්‍ය දෙකකම she පාවිච්චි කරලා ආයෙත් ඒක රිපීට් වෙන්නේ නැති වෙන්න තමයි අපි ඊළඟ එකට Mrs. Vijay Singh ගෙන් start කරන්නේ, right? Therefore Mrs. Vijay Singh lives in WATTEGAMA. Now she's an elderly person, and now we are going to talk about the workplace. If it is our friend, we are going to talk about the school, right? Yes. She teaches English at WATTEGAMA Central College. She teaches English at WATTEGAMA Central College. To talk about her family. Here, there are 4 members in her family. So you can add even here about the family members as well, right? But it will be too lengthy. Therefore, we are going to use only one sentence about the family. Maybe අපි family එක ගැන තව sentences ලියන්න පුළුවන් family එක අනිත් අය ගැන, but අපි එකක් ලියනවා හේතුව මේක ටිකක් ඕනෑමට වඩා දික් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. because අපිට කියන්නේ 50 to 60 words නේ. Okay. Then you can talk about the interest. She likes to read books and gardening a lot. She likes to read books and gardening a lot. And remember, මම මේ දීලා තියෙන sentence එක මේ ලියන්න පුළුවන් එකම විදිය නෙමෙයි, right? Very simple sentence එකක් තමයි මම දීලා තියෙන්නේ. තව කියන ඔයගොල්ලන්ට ලියන්න පුළුවන්. Her interests are reading books and gardening කියන්න පුළුවන්. right? ඒක අපිට දෙන්න පුළුවන් සිම්පල්ම විදිහ තමයි මේ දීලා තියෙන්නේ. වැරදි අඩු කරගන්න ඕනේ simple sentences ලියලා. Well, the next one is appearance. Appearance. කොහොමද පෙනෙන විදිහ, right? විදිහ අපිට දකින්න විදිහ. My teacher is fair and medium built. Then the appearance, how we see the teacher. My teacher is fair and medium built. Then we talk about the qualities. She is very kind, loving, caring and helpful. Now here we have given kind, loving, caring and helpful. Many qualities, all these good qualities. That is why a person will become a favorite person. කෙනෙකුට කැමතිම පුද්ගලයා කියන්නේ හොඳ ප්‍රතිගුණ තියෙන කෙනෙක්. So we can give 3-4 words to describe the qualities. Well, finally we have to give a conclusion for our paragraph, giving that is why I like her very much. That is why I like her very much. I think now it is easy for you all to write a simple paragraph on a person. The same way using the given facts, the facts that we discuss about a place, about an event or an object, if we write one sentence, at least one sentence for each, we can have a very good, meaningful paragraph. And you can score all 5 marks for test 8. So children, please do the activities given in the worksheet herewith and you can have a very good practice with them, and then go to the questions or the activities given in the I Can and I Will resource book. Thank you, children.